Okay, I think for the site plan, the reason why it was showing in the second floor plan was that I think I turned on the underlay. Okay, so if I go to the second floor plan, okay, so now it's not showing, but earlier I think accidentally turned on the underlay so that it's viewing below the second floor plan, because otherwise you should only be seeing up to the level, right, of the second floor. Okay, so now that we have all our sheets showing and working, it's time to print. So let's say go to the first sheet, and then you can say file and then print. Okay, you can say print, and then you can select your printer. Let's say Adobe printer. Okay, you're going to print the current window or the visible portion of the current window or selected sheets. So normally you want to print the sheets, okay? And then you can select which sheets you'd like to print. Now in this case, we have 3 sheets, but we only want to print A1 and A2. Okay, and then print the sheets. And we're going to, well, you can uncheck view so you can only see sheets. You can save this if you want to print it over and over again. We'll just say yes. Set 1, let's say. And then you want to print it, check the properties, right? So we're using Adobe standard. Everything looks good. Paper, automatically select. Okay, and layout, landscape. Everything looks good. Okay, and printing tips, setup. Okay, so settings, setup. Okay, you want to print, of course, in a D size. So make sure you select the right type of paper. Okay, so do not print it in tabloid, print it in the right size paper. So let's say D size, entered, fit to page. Okay, and landscape. Everything looks good. And click OK. Once everything is set, make sure you place it at the proper folder. So browse. I'll be printing it here with the name, my name, exercise 2, and click OK. So normally you want them in one file. So let's see. We have 2, create separate. Okay, continue multiple views, okay, into a single file. Yeah, unless you want them in a separate PDF file. I like it in one file, so you don't have to submit several PDFs. Click OK, and it will print to the folder that I've selected. You can still change the folder, save. It will start to print. And once it's done, you can submit your RVT, which is the Revit file, and the PDF as well in exercise number 2. Okay, so that ends this exercise.